Noodles, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something super freaking fancy. It came in a ramen trunk. Go to www.ramentrunk.com. Use the coupon code RamenRaider20OFF. That's 20. RamenRaider20OFF to get a 20% discount on your first order. And so, what do we have? Check this out, weirdos. This is Ganja Saitama Ramen. It's from Saitama, Japan, and comes in a box. Boxes are important when it comes to ramen. If you get ramen that comes in a box, you should smile a lot, because usually it's quite good. So what do we have in the box? Well, boxes usually have 2 servings. Soup base and ramen. Look at that. Shelf-stable, fresh ramen. How does that work? I don't know. The ramen gods, the other ramen gods, I should say, understand that. Yeah. Oh, and I have a fancy surprise for you today while we wait, because this takes 5 minutes to cook. So let's put 5 on the timer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam! Get it all situated. It's gotta separate the noodles like so. It's really not exciting. You're not missing much. All I'm doing is stirring them and making sure that they're separate from each other. And then I'll show you something really cool that's completely unrelated to ramen, but I think you might appreciate it, because you can get these things and you should hear the noises that my kids make with them. It's pretty amazing. My buddy Matt B got me these. I think he got me one for my birthday and then one for Christmas one year. But they're pretty rad. That was back when he had money, before he screwed the pooch. But, you know, stuff happens. Life goes on. Ham sandwich, you know. Shout out to my brother Matt B. And shout out to my brother. Details will follow someday. Alright, so I got 2 of these little thingies. Ooh. What are they? These are this is the Korg Monotron Delay Analog Ribbon Synthesizer. And this is the Korg Monotron Duo Analog Ribbon Synthesizer. So, I'll show you some magic. Hopefully you can hear that. So you can do all sorts of fun stuff with this. A little bit slower. And then with this one is just more like a, come on. Oh, you dang kids. Is it really gonna be, oh. You can just play with these things all day long and make all sorts of weird noises. So what's probably going to happen is I'm going to post this one on Facebook, and what'll happen is Facebook will decide to promote it, and I'm going to get message after message from the mundanes going like, "What is that noise? I don't know what to do. It's horrible. I can't stand that noise." Bev from Kentucky. Jimmy John from wherever. Yeah, dudes, ladies, just like, if you don't have anything nice to say, just don't say it. It's really gonna be okay. You can people can like things that you don't, you know, and the world will not explode if you don't let your opinion be heard. Okay, so the noodles are done. We're gonna drain them. But yeah, if you want one of those, go to like Amazon and look up Korg Monotron. They're like $40, and if you have like a little kid that you know, and they're like day of ascension to the realm of a higher age group is upon you, and you're unsure of what item to use your rectangular currency devices for, get them one of those. First off, it'll drive their parents insane. Well, it doesn't. I don't know. It kind of drives my wife insane. But I freaking love it. It's neat because they'll like start turning knobs and then they'll make a new sound and they'll get all excited. So you basically have 300 mils of hot water, boiling water. This was microwaved for like 2 minutes right before I started, so this is pretty hot. And then you like squeeze it out like a big old zit. Remember to knead your sachets. They need the kneading. And then when your flavor zit has been popped into the water, you just stir your big flavoring zit into the water, and then you have broth. Ooh. It tastes like soy sauce and bacon and Asia all in one. Wow. Yeah. And one thing you should know is that, you know, there's nothing wrong if you were into like top ramen, like the nickel a pack. Well, it's not a nickel a pack these days, but you know what I mean. If you're into like grocery store cheap ass ramen, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't let anybody talk down to you because you like top ramen or a cup noodle or instant lunch or ramen noodle soup by Marchand. If you like it and you mess with it and you do things and you make it like really tasty, cool. You know, I mean, this stuff is high end, you know. But this is like a completely other end of the spectrum, and I wish more people could, you know about it, because you get a lot of people that are like, oh, ramen? That stuff's bad. That's not even food, dude. It's like, oh, I freaking beg to differ. Ramen is like such a wide category. And that's just Japanese, you know. You get instant noodles from other countries, you know, like mee goreng. You get tom yum from Thailand. Mmm. Very nice chew on these. Top notch. Wow. Basically what I was expecting, you know. These boxed ones and all the stuff. I don't think I've gotten anything from Ramen Trunk that I've given under a 4 or 5 for. Maybe one that I gave a 4. I can't think of anything. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. But I've been impressed. They go out of their way to pick good stuff. So if you end up getting one of their boxes, I think you'll be happy. Because happiness makes everybody happy. Well, as long as it's your own happiness, right? Some people get all jealous and crap. But whatever. Remember, the things you don't understand aren't always the things you're meant to. Alright, there we go. And we got a little weep. And I wish we're good. I'm gonna throw some mungus. I don't know if it's good or poor form to do so, but there's some mungus. And we need spring onion, because that's the way to go. Although it's not spring anymore, so I'm just going to start calling it summer onion. Get off my chashu, you dirty onion. And I'm going to use in this one, I really like this stuff. It's Nanami Togarashi. Just makes me happy. Did I already open this? No, I didn't. No wonder it's not coming out. I think I used this on a different video and I was like, yeah, freaking thing's not even open. I get a pass though. I mean, I'm legally blind, so I just I don't get a pass. Okay. Well, I'm opening it now. I think. What's buzzing? There's something buzzing. Is there like a yellow jacket stuck in the... Maybe it's in the song. I don't know, but it's weird. I hear buzzing. What is that? Alright, ready? There we go. That worked. And then we've got... seed. And there we are. So let's get everything all settled. And Rotato, do your stuff. It's been good. It has. So enjoy, make some noodles, and have a good one. Bye-bye.